Toeic Actual Test 1. Now, Part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A
man is examining a pair of shoes.
B.
A man is passing out some documents.
C.
A man is using a sewing machine.
D.
A man is cleaning his glasses.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
They are installing a computer monitor.
B.
They are facing each other.
C.
They are examining a file.
D.
They are standing next to a stepladder.
Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
A man is giving a presentation.
B.
Some people are replacing some glass.
C.
Some people are rearranging chairs.
D.
A man is hanging a map on a sign.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
A lamp is placed on a desk.
B.
A desk is being assembled.
C.
Some boxes have been pushed to a corner.
D.
Some boxes are being labeled by the man.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
There is a sign next to a car.
B.
A car is parked in front of a building.
C.
A car door is being opened.
D.
A man is checking a tire.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
There is a staircase next to an airplane.
B.
An aircraft is taking off from a runway.
C.
Some people are climbing up a staircase.
D.
An airport is surrounded by a waterway.